You guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Y'all, it has been so long since I sat down to film a video. My life has been really hectic and crazy, but now I feel like I'm in a really good flow of things and I'm so excited to start filming again. I missed you guys so much. I hope you've been doing well. I want to do some shopping today, go by like Home Goods and Marshalls and see what they have in store. Now that it's officially summer, I've been craving like lemon, blueberry, so I think I want to bake something that combines both of those things. Maybe like lemon blueberry muffins with like blueberry jam in the middle, or like some type of a lemon blueberry pound cake with a glaze. Oh, sounds so good. I also want to do some gaming, of course. Y'all, there has been this one game I have been obsessed with, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to play it, but I definitely want to continue playing that later today. There's just so much I want to do, so this may take place over the next couple of days, but nevertheless, I'm so excited. It's going to be a chill, cozy vlog, just like always, guys. So go ahead and get comfy, grab a snack, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the vlog. Y'all, it has been 2 seconds outside and I already put my hair up because it is 103 degrees today, and honestly probably gonna get even hotter than that. So yeah. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it is raining right now. And as badly as I want to go to Home Goods, and Marshall's literally like right next to me, just cozy time. Yeah. Cozy time while it's raining in a blanket with a game or like a cozy movie. That just sounds so nice right now. So I think I'm gonna head home instead of going to the store. Cracked the window so I could hear the rain a little bit better, and as y'all saw, I've been playing Life is Strange. I don't know what took me so long to play this game, but it is amazing. First off, soundtrack is so good. The storytelling is amazing. I'm getting very close to the end of the game and I'm really nervous because like I don't know what's gonna happen at all. Like everything that has happened thus far, I couldn't have even predicted that. I've been really enjoying this game. I definitely want to play the other ones after this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a little drink and a snack and just enjoy the rainy weather. It sounds so amazing right now. Playing for like a long time because it really is just really addicting. And I was in chapter 4. Something big happens in chapter 4, and I was not expecting that at all. Just such a good storyline, like just so good. I obviously like went straight into chapter 5 just because I couldn't believe what was happening, and I haven't finished the game yet. I think I'm getting close though, but yeah, I'm really curious. But if you guys have played Life is Strange before, how did you like it? Who's your favorite character? Let me know, because like I said, I cannot believe it took me this long to get into this game. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed, but I will see you guys the next day, and hopefully we can actually do some shopping this time since there was lots of rain today. Not that I'm complaining, but yeah, I'll see you all the next day. It's a new day. I plan on doing all the shopping that I wanted to do 2 days ago today. I don't know why I didn't mention the store earlier, but if you do not shop at Ross, you are seriously missing out. I found so much good stuff in terms of like home decor, furniture, clothes, shoes, everything. It is definitely probably like my top favorite. So I'm actually gonna go there first, and then to Marshall's, and then to Home Goods. And then also, y'all, I recently finally got my hands on a Bobby Goods coloring book, and I'm so excited. The pages are so cute, but I want to get some good markers that won't like bleed through it. I'm really excited to go shopping. I haven't been shopping in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day, and we can head to the stores. once again, it is raining. Hopefully it'll stop soon because it doesn't look like it's gonna get bad, but I definitely want to stop by Home Goods and then Target to get some snacks, and yeah. Okay, y'all, it is now Saturday. I meant to continue to vlog yesterday, but I honestly forgot. Tonight, I definitely want to have a chill, cozy time. So I preheated my oven and I think I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. I know I said I was gonna do like a blueberry lemon dessert, but when in doubt, I'm just gonna go with chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna do that, and I think I want to watch the SpongeBob movie. I just want to laugh tonight, and I love that movie, so I think I'm gonna put that on, make some chocolate chip cookies, and yeah, it's gonna be a chill time. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the cookies in the oven.